Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Meat Jun. I remember eating Meat Jun at Yummy's Korean barbecue at the mall. It is a popular dish served in Korean restaurants in Hawaii. Normally, Meat Jun in Hawaii is the typical ribeye, but for this recipe, I'll be showing two other types as well: the ribeye, fish, and chicken. Here are the ingredients. You can go to your local groceries meat butcher and ask to have your meat cut thinly. If you can't have it cut thinly, you could try to cut it yourself, then pound it with a meat tenderizer. First, make the marinade for the meat. In a large bowl, combine the shoyu, water, sugar, and garlic. Mix it until the sugar has dissolved. Then add in your meat to the marinade. Since I'm doing 3 types of meat, I divided the marinade into 3 different bowls for the ribeye beef, chicken breast, and fish. The fish type should be white, like cod. Cover the marinade and let it chill in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. In the meantime, make the dipping sauce with shoyu, rice vinegar, sesame oil, and 2 pinches of red pepper flakes. You can replace the flakes with gochujang or chili oil. It's your preference. Give it a brief whisk and set aside. After the meat has finished marinating, heat and oil a pan over medium heat. Then whisk the eggs in a bowl. Have some flour ready on a plate to dredge the meat. After dredging the meat, cover it with the scrambled eggs. Shake or tap the meat on the sides of the bowl to get rid of any excess eggs, and then add it to the pan to be fried for a couple of minutes. It should be quick to cook the meat because it is cut thinly. After a couple of minutes of frying, flip it over and let it cook again for another couple of minutes. Set aside the cooked meat on a plate lined with paper towel. Repeat the same process for all types of meat. After all of the meat has been cooked, slice them up and serve it over hot white rice and enjoy this onolicious Meat Jun. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!